The Enigma of Chinese Characters. This is the tale of Isabella, a young girl trapped within an ancient book of hieroglyphics. To escape, she must unravel the enigma of the Chinese characters.
Isabella stepped into the book of Chinese characters, and the door vanished instantly. Inside, it resembled an old library hallway with the smell of ancient books.
Where do I go now?
Isabella wondered when she heard a distant voice.
Wait, come in. You wait, and you can come in.
Isabella followed the voice to find a line of people dressed in various historical costumes. Isabella joined the queue, and after half an hour reached the border control. An old man resembling a librarian, surrounded by books, asked her dryly,
For what purpose have you come to the book of Chinese characters?
I need to see the king.
Diplomatic visas are not issued now.
Then how can I discover the secret of the Chinese characters?
You need a student visa. Are you coming to our book to study?
You could say yes.
Then you need to go see Aunt Sifa. She's in the third office.
Tell me, who are all these people dressed in historical costumes?
Come in, don't delay the queue.
the librarian replied irritably, and Isabella had to move on. The third office was not far away. Isabella hesitantly knocked on the door.
Come in,
Sounded a voice from inside. Isabella entered and saw a woman made up of small numbers.
What do you want?
I need a student visa.
Have you taken the exam?
No, I only know the first secret of Chinese characters, that the lines are written top to bottom, left to right.
Well, honey, even Santa Claus knows that. Sit down. Here are 3 Chinese characters. Form the number 31. You have 3 minutes. Good luck.
Isabella quickly sat down and put the 3 Chinese characters on the table.
Very good. This is obviously the number 1. And these 3 lines must be the number 3. So what does this cross mean? I'll find out later. The number 3 goes at the beginning. And the number 1 I'll put it at the end. Where does the cross go? What do I need it for?
You've got 1 minute left.
Let's see what the number 31 is made up of. 3 times 10 plus 1. So this cross is probably the number 10. I'll put it in the middle. So 31 in Chinese is 3, 10, and 1. That's it.
That's it. You can move on to the Chinese character book.
Aunt Sifa said calmly and pressed the button on her desk. The door opened, and Isabella carefully entered the first page of the Chinese character book.
Who do you think all these people dressed in historical costumes are? And why do they want to appear to go to the Chinese character book? Feel free to write your version in the comments.
一、
一、
二、
二、
二、三、
三、
四、
四、
五、
五、
六、
六、
七、
七、
八、
八、
九、
九、
十、
十、
三、十一、
三、十一、
Be the hero of the Secret Elf Chronicles. If you are among the first 1,000 subscribers to the Exclusive Stories channel, you'll have a chance to win a unique prize. The elf will write a story exclusively for you or your loved ones.